Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Buy Me a Coffee. How does it work? Buy Me a Coffee is basically a lightweight creator monetization platform that sits somewhere between a tip jar and a simple subscription system. In Buy Me a Coffee, creators set up a public page where they can share posts, showcase their work, and receive direct support from fans in the form of a small one-time donations, symbolically called buying a coffee. It's not literally a coffee unless your supporters are unusually generous and caffeinated. Getting started is simple. You sign up using Google, Apple, Facebook, Twitter, or email, set up your creator profile, and then publish your page. Once it's alive, anyone can visit and send tips or coffees, or even subscribe through membership if they want ongoing support. Payments go to the creator's account after reaching a minimum payout threshold, with the platform taking a small cut so it can keep the lights on. You can also post updates, reply to supporters, and build a small community around your work without needing a full-blown website or complex setup. Overall, it works like a casual, low-pressure way for fans to support creators financially, especially for small donations or recurring engagement rather than formal business-level monetization. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.